Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a entryway and foyer decor video. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep watching. So our entryway is pretty narrow, but I love these bookcases. These bookcases used to be where the fireplace is now. I had these in the living room for years, and I love just displaying knickknacks and vintage finds that I have and pictures and old books and stuff like that. So I really love these bookcases, but I felt like it was getting a little too crowded, so I wanted to simplify the entryway. So here's Daryl helping me move these bookcases. As you can see, they're just so pretty. I am going to miss them so much, but I love how simplistic the entryway looks now. So next, I'm just cleaning up. I'm just vacuuming. There's some junk underneath that just got there somehow. And I'm putting this table from Kirkland's in the entryway. We've had this for years. I love this lamp. So the entryway is going to be very simplistic. I'm putting this sign back up that I used to have before I put the bookcases. It's a very simple sign. I just love what it says. And this plant decor is from Kirkland's. You guys, I love these plants. You'll get a closer look in a little bit. And I also put an old book that I have underneath the lamp. I love decorating with vintage books. That's like one of my favorite things. So now I'm just putting a nail on the wall so I can make sure that this wall art does not fall, because that's happened before where I don't put anything to attach to the wall and a door slams and it like falls and it scares the crap out of me. So that's what I'm doing right there. When I decorate, I love to bring in stuff and see if I like it or if I don't. It's a long process, so that's what I'm doing right now. So here's a closer look at what we have so far. I love how simple this all looks. I love this lamp. This lamp was very different for me when I first bought it because it's not really my typical taste, but I just ended up falling in love with it and I never want to let this lamp go. This Kirkland's table might be one of my favorite finds of all time. When I first saw this table, I fell in love with how vintage and just beautiful it was. The detail of this table is just gorgeous. I love the two-tone and I really just love this table. And I just felt this table would be perfect for the entryway. It's really narrow and I love the way it looked. So this faux plant from Kirkland's was gifted to me from Kirkland's, and you guys, I have been so impressed with their plants. It looks so real. It doesn't look corny or cheesy like some other fake plants do. I love these plants from Kirkland's, and it looks so pretty in the entryway on the table. I am in love with it. So this was also gifted from Kirkland's, and I love this. It's beautiful. I love how it's two-toned. The black handles are so unique and I just thought it would look so cute in the entryway. So I just put some magazines and I threw some flowers in there and I just love the way it looked. It took me a billion years to finally get it the way I wanted it, but I finally got it. So I still felt something was missing in the entryway table, and I remembered I had this vintage mirror I bought from an antique store years back, and I just put it up just to see how it would look like, and I ended up loving it. I love that there's a mirror now in the entryway, so if I gotta fix my hair real quick before I leave or whatever the case is, I just love the way it looked. So that's my new entryway, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for your patience and for your understanding with me not uploading videos as much as I should. I definitely know that, and I definitely will try to be better. I am actually fighting a cold, flu, bronchitis, something. So excuse my voice. But I miss you guys. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at My Lovely Texas Home. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.